If you're still looking for a whiteboard solution for your synchronous Zoom session with your class, this homemade solution might work for you. It does require an external webcam. Let me show you what it looks like in action. Showing in my view to my students is this paper, and it's in the right direction, so then you can begin to give your lecture. Let's say that we're looking at a function 1/3 x cubed minus 1/2 x squared minus 6x plus 2, and what we're interested in learning is how the derivative helps us to sketch the graph of a function like this. The first derivative of this would be, and then you discuss however you want to get that derivative done nicely. In this case, it ends up being this function. And of course, the derivative tells the slope of the tangent line. So in other words, when the derivative is positive, the function is going up. When the derivative is negative, the function is going down. When the derivative is equal to 0, we're at critical values. So let's try finding when this particular function, the derivative, is equal to 0. And finish off the rest of your lecture there. Here are some screenshots showing some details of my build. Now, I'm showing you the light that I'm using here. It just happens to be a little LED light that I had handy. You will need to have some kind of light source. Whenever you're doing something electronically, you need to worry about the audio, the video, and lighting. My build was built out of some scrap PVC that I just had laying around. This is what things look like on my desktop. I'm just using a spring clamp to hold my my webcam. My webcam is about 16 inches from the paper. That'll depend on your particular webcam. Ignore my messy desk, but here you can see this. You can see the setup, the lighting source, the video, the webcam here, what the students are seeing, and what I'm writing down here. There are some settings that you may need to adjust in Zoom to get things to work correctly. If you come to video, then up here in this upper corner, there's a rotate. So you can rotate it around until it's in the right position. You can enable or disable the mirror effect, so that turn off. Don't enable the mirror effect, it'll be you want it the other way. Then what's showing in my view to my students is this paper, and it's in the right direction, so then you can begin to give your lecture. Good luck, everyone. I hope that you find solutions that work very well for you and your students. Have a great semester. Stay healthy and happy.